Don't allow anyone, friend, family, acquaintance, teachers, whoever it is, don't allow anyone to tell you that what you are dreaming for yourself and your family is not possible. It is possible. Don't be one of those people 20 years from now are going to be walking around in a 9-to-5 job, miserable and angry and bitter.
Morning, guys. You don't know that smile though, Melica. It's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. You what the dem? You don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. You what the dem? Gang, gang, gang. Yo, me I wonder who cares if me injure iPad on me. Yo, you don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. You what the dem? You wanna send me on Instagram? Who say it iPad? Ooh, my Instagram is MELICASKYLIFE. Put my bag on my shoulder. Yeah, guys, so this morning, as usual, this is a Saturday morning. Morning, welcome. It's a Saturday morning. Saturday morning. It's about 8:30. I'm on my way to school. I have an exam this morning. Don't know law. I kind of like law. Give you a lot of knowledge in terms of, well, this is actually international law. It gives you a lot of knowledge on certain things, you know. So, may I say when you're falling in a room that they're having some big conversations, you can take part in things like just Cohen, yo Melica, treaty laws, stuff like that, the UN states and stuff like that, you know, very informative stuff. So anyways, I have a test today, as well as I need to go get my eyebrows done. I don't have enough eyebrow, them not grow, but I get them done today and fix up my ear and stuff, because tomorrow is my photo shoot. Pretty excited. It's the first time I'm doing a photo shoot, so I want my shell it and a bag of things. So that's what I'm doing now. Yo, if you're on the channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. I feel like me talk fast. I'm so fast I can't say it. Well, if you're on the channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. Leave a comment below later. Well, go on, guys. You don't know. I don't know, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! I wanted them. Guys, today is actually Sunday, March something, between the 15 and the 14 or something like that. I don't know a date. Mom, Melica? But it's about 1:30 now. I'm on my way in town. I'm gonna do my photo shoot today. Yes! I'm so excited because it's the first time I'm doing something like this for myself. I always wanted to do it, so I'm pretty excited for the new experience, and I'll take you guys along my journey. I'm gonna be wearing a different top for the shoot and my heels. I'm gonna get my makeup did. You know, I'm not gonna wear makeup like that, so I'm just gonna do it lightly, have them do it light, because I don't want to look like me. I don't like see when them girls have on the makeup, I can't identify them and sitting. So, kid me there, so I wait for you know, feel like the far. Yeah, so I did right up my ear, so it's kind of curly, and I have my crown and everything. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And things, so keep it. You're so discriminating. Why you have me up here with, look how you got a glow, man. Talk about clean. Yes, yes. So guys, what can I call it out? Please contain. Anyways, with this, we are cutting now the bag of things to see you guys when we're at bag of things. You're so funny. Please, What you dream?
My dreams are naked last night.
You're too wicked. Anyways, guys, we're currently at Fontana. Yeah. Why me look down in there? The current I'm gone. Why me just say like the speech? Based up just a while ago. Currently at Fontana, I'm gonna get this thing snatched. I really wanted to do the outfit of the day. I look so cute. But I don't have the time, I run out of time, I run late. So I have to hurry up and get what I'm getting done here. What comes up? And we'll be back! I'm heading to the location for the shoot now. Yes! Eh? Don't do that. Very discriminating. Yeah. Oh, that lighting though. Hey guys, I don't know. So guys, I'm waiting on the photographer now. I like this stuff, it's so cute. You know what it is, so? But they are so. It's really jiggy. Even if you take one full picture of me, what do you think? I'll put on my crown, guys. Turn.
Hold them. Behind the scenes. Jesus have mercy. That sound awful. Photographer. The photographer is helper. Melica. Ass. That ass though. Everything Melica love. What's up? Let me zoom in on this. Ooh, okay. Mood. Yes. Guys, so that light that I come on, that light there, I call it Jesus light because It just looked like they light there. When God come in and move with them, it looked like a soil light would have just shined on as heat. And it would have land out there.
So guys, I'm through with the shoot. We're currently at Margaritaville. We're going to have some juice and then head on home. It has been a very long day. So guys, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, leave a comment below. You don't know more here if I am bathing. Thank you guys for stopping by Melica Skylife.